Hello everyone, I'm with another big update today, and it is Google Analytics integration. Right now you are capable to join these data as well and analyze everything in complex. Let's visualize how you can do it. We're gonna have three sections with visualizations and data tables about countries, pages, and directories efficiency. Let's start with the visualization dashboards. So here we are having the period which you are interested in. Just pick up and it will be compared to the previous period. Right now it is 7 days to the previous 7 days, by the way. And here we are having all active users, all sessions, bounce rates, average session duration, again with the dynamics in percentage. Then you are capable to visualize all that compared to the previous period of time. The same with bounce rate, a separate chart for it, average session duration, and engage sessions in comparison. Then we have the countries dashboard where you are having your top country by active users, by sessions, by engaged sessions, and the total number of countries you have coverage in. Then you are having the dynamics by these countries, again within the active users, sessions, engaged sessions, average bounce rate, average session duration. And then you have all the details by top 10 and the full list, the capacity to get the full list of your countries. And right now we are already in data tables countries, and here you're having all your more than 200 countries with the main criteria here to analyze and to visualize. That very handy. You see, it doesn't take any time right now. We also have organic and all traffic comparison dashboard, and here you are getting again total sessions, organic sessions, then in percentage, and organic engaged sessions. And here the comparison of organic to all traffic by active users, by sessions, by engaged sessions, etc. Here you have the traffic source shares, again by active users, by sessions, by engaged sessions. Your bounce rate for all and for organic, the same for average session duration, and engaged sessions by all and by organic traffic. Very also popular way to analyze the efficiency of your organic traffic compared to the rest of the traffic your website is getting. Let's jump to data tables, pages. So we have like all pages which are getting impressions, and I'm curious to know what is new pages. These are the pages which started to get sessions for the new period of time. You see that there were no sessions for the previous period of time, and right now these pages started to get sessions, and it is very interesting to see what new pages you have there and analyze the criteria for these pages. The same we have but lost pages. So those pages that used to have sessions on the previous period of time, but right now no sessions at all. And these are your losers. Very important to know what you lost and to do something with it. So the same, not engaged pages, the pages which are getting sessions but not with the high bounce rate. We see that it is like 100% bounce rate. Then we have winners and losers by different criteria already preset for you, pre-filtered, and as usually saves a lot of time. So your winners by active users. So you're getting your pages which have the biggest numbers of active users over a given period of time. The same by sessions, by engaged sessions, by bounce rate. I mean the pages with the lowest bounce rate in this case. Then the same preset filters for losers. So losers by active users, by sessions, by engaged sessions, by bounce rate, by average session duration. You see that a lot of analytics is already made for you, already pre-filtered for you, and you are just one click away from the needed winners and losers, new pages and lost pages. You just dive deeper and analyze and fix what is wrong or multiply what is good. The last but not the least, directories efficiency. Right now, you are capable to visualize the efficiency of your directories and what we are having here. So we have, let's say, registered directory, the number of pages within this directory, the number of active users over a given period of time, sessions, engaged sessions, and average bounce rate, average session duration as well. And the main criteria here, the average bounce rate. This is very vivid criteria to analyze the efficiency of your directories in terms of the quality of the content the user gets and other criteria, possible criteria. And here we see that the green is the lowest bounce rate, the light yellow, the yellow, the higher, and the red is the most critical bounce rate, and you are really capable to visualize the worst directories you have right now and the best ones you have right now. So just one click away and you have a very good visualization of your directories by the average bounce rate within it. So we hope that you will find this integration very interesting and insightful. Jump to test it right away.